Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be showing you how to and your laptop speakers as a pretty much a gaming display, and you can use your laptop speakers as sound. Yeah. You will need an EasyCap capture device as S-Video and RCA jacks female, and you'll need RCA splitter for your sound. It has a headphone jack at the end, and red and white female RCA jacks at the other end. And to get video on it, you will just need to take your RCA jacks from your PS3 and, plug them in. Screw that. I'm just going to plug in video, because you don't need it. Okay, you plug in the yellow for video, and then you just take that off and plug this into your USB port. Okay, then you go to your ULED Video Studio, and that pops up, and go to Video Studio Editor. And I'm just going to turn on my PS3. You're going to want to click on Capture and Capture Video. Let it load a second, and that'll pop up. Then just click OK. And yeah, there it is. Just let me do the setting stuff on the PS3. It's asking me if I want HDMI. Can't really use HDMI on this because it's not really, it's just pretty much standard for a PS3. And and you can go full screen if you don't want to see that little thing, that full screen right there, and you'll go full screen. See that? Here, let me change the background color so y'all can see that. Hold on a second. Okay, just change the background color, and yeah, you got video. Yep. And now I'm just gonna press escape and minimize this. And I'm about to show you how to get sound. Okay, you take your RCA splitter, whatever you want to call it, and you just plug it in to your microphone port on your laptop. Yeah. And you take your RCA jacks from your PS3 and just plug them right in there. Yeah. And it should look like that. And what you're gonna want to do is go to your sound system, change sound system. Change system sounds. Yeah. And go to recording at the top. Click on click on the microphone and go to listen, and click on listen to this device and go to speakers, real-time high definition audio, and go to levels at the top, microphone boost all the way down and microphone all the way up, enhancements, nothing, advanced, don't do anything, then just click OK and X out of that. And yeah, that should be it, guys. If that doesn't work, do this. Go to this sound, type in sound and go to sound recorder. But what I was talking about, it should work. And like that'll just pretty much it'll pretty much pop up what's on your microphone, and there's a sound for my PS3. And just go back to your video thing. Go to full screen. And you got sound and video. Play Black Ops. Just take the mouse and drag it to the corner so you don't see it. Okay guys, we're just gonna play a quick game of zombies. Kind of Shangri-La, the new map. And yeah guys, that's pretty much how you do it. This is not how to record it, because I've tried actually recording it. Don't actually try to record it.
Who needs power when you've got vodka?
Because if you try to record it, it'll pretty much just yeah, if you try to record it, it'll pretty much just lag on your screen, so just don't really do that. This doesn't really have any lag with the sound. Well, matter of fact, it doesn't have any lag or with the sound or video. Yeah. And yeah, this is a great way to like just play on your laptop or whatever you want to do. Go somewhere and play with it. Just yeah. So there's not really any lag in it. Okay. So yeah guys, that's how you use your laptop screen and your laptop as a device to like play your PS3 on, or Xbox, or whatever kind of system you want to play it on. This will work for any kind of system. So yeah guys, try it. It works.